Hey guys, Nerf Tech, and I've got an exciting review of the Nerf Wildfire. Yeah, so the Wildfire is awesome. It is fully auto, air-powered, 20 dart cylinder, and this does, if you don't know what this is, then maybe you've heard of rapid fire. It's mostly a old version of that. So, this thing is really cool. It's got 20 dart capacity, which you just push in 20 darts, pump it up, and fire. And I'm surprised I even got one. I actually found it at a Goodwill for $6.99, and I saw that these go for like 50 bucks on eBay, so I thought that was a pretty good deal, so I picked it up. And at that time, I did not know anything about this. I just saw that it was air-powered and it said Nerf, so I thought I'd pick it up. But then I found out how rare it is, so thought that was super awesome. And one of the only problems with these is they leak. This one leaks a little bit, but when you pump it up, because there's a little dial right there, that goes all the way to full when it's fully pumped up, and it leaks, but when you have it all the way up, it doesn't really leak that much, so it still is usable. And I will pump it up so I can see. If you can't hear that, it does leak, but one of the really cool things about this is the pump's really small, which may seem like not a good thing, but it means that it won't get as tweaked. This one is a little tweaked, but I mean, it is what it is. It's not a very sturdy pump, it's really thin. But another complaint is this is like got grooves in it, so when you're going to pump it, and if you go to squeeze it hard, it hurts your hand. And another thing, it takes 50 pumps to fully pump this. And yeah, 50 pumps. But one thing really cool is it takes 50 pumps, but when it's fully pumped, when you go to fire it the first time, it only uses half the bladder, which is cool because then you can refill it and get about, I'd say, 10 to 15 darts before it runs at complete air. So you can get about 35 darts out of this with 50 pumps, which I think is super cool. And there's a little window right here so you can see the mechanism work. And overall, it's really cool. And I will fire it twice. One this way, and then one towards the camera. Okay, so it was here, now it's here, and one of the darts fell when I was bumping it. Okay, I got the dart. And it fires really fast. I mean, it fires probably about all the darts in about 3 seconds, maybe with a full pump. So I'll just fire it this way. Yeah, and you can already see it still got some more pressure left. It's sort of leaked a little bit. And I'll fire it at the camera. Okay, so I got it reloaded and pumped it up another 50 times. And I almost forgot, but the range for this is about 20 to 25 feet, maybe 30. Doesn't get that bad a range, but it's worth it for the spray of darts. So I'll fire it this way. Yeah, so that is really fast. And as you saw, after it was done firing all the darts, it could still go about halfway, which is really cool in a war scenario. I probably would use this in a war, maybe sometimes. But eventually I will get the leak fixed on it, if I can. And if you want to get one of these, but you don't know about, you definitely want to. I mean, if you can, you definitely want to pick one of these up for maybe $6 to $10. But if you ever see one that has just a little leak, you really want to get it, because most of the times the hose gets old and dries and then it cracks. Then that leads to leaking. So maybe you just replace the hose and it shouldn't leak. And I think this is a really good thing that you should definitely pick up if you ever see one. And like, subscribe, comment. Thanks for watching.